morning. Meet me again in our podcast. So today our podcast invite the special guest named Jessica Wea. Jessica Wea, come here to please.
Thank you.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm good. Who are you?
I'm good too. Okay, so today the podcast talking about the favorite idol. You have the favorite idol?
Yes, I have a favorite idol. Her name is Jennie from Blackpink and Na Jaemin.
Wow, you K-pop person.
Yes, I'm a K-pop person.
Okay, the first question. Who is your favorite K-pop idol or group?
My favorite K-pop idol, like I said before, Jennie from Blackpink and Na Jaemin from NCT.
NCT Dream.
NCT Dream.
Wow.
And my favorite group is, of course, Blackpink.
You're playing.
Yes, I'm a Blink.
Okay. Next, my question is, what first caught your attention about this idol or group?
Because I know Blackpink since 2018 from the hit songs Dulu Dulu, you know Dulu Dulu?
Yes.
I know from
Yeah.
because I love their music too. Because their music is my favorite.
Yeah. My favorite idol is Blackpink.
Who's your favorite idol, or do you have bias?
Yeah, my bias is I like Jennie.
Jennie?
Yeah, and Lisa, but I like all of the Blackpink.
Oh yeah, me too. But my bias is Jennie.
And next, my question is, what's your favorite song by them, and why does it mean so much to you?
My favorite song is what is that? The Happiest Girl, you know, from the album. What's the album name? I forgot.
Yeah, I forget too.
The album, I know that one.
Yeah, but I know this song, that song.
Yeah, The Happiest Girl, because that song makes me feel sad.
Yeah. Okay, the next question is, and you have bias, right? And what's make them special to you?
They're so special for me because they really give me inspiration to be what is that? Confident girl. Yeah, like that. I think like that.
So
That's perfect for me.
It's very special.
Yes, very special.
And the last question is, how did you feel when you first saw their performance?
My first what?
You first saw their performance. How
the
you
first,
feel?
they show perform. The first perform. I do like badass and swag like that. And they have a strong voice.
Strong voice, yeah. They're not lip sync, right?
Yes, not will sing. YG is and TikTok is yeah.
I know.
YG family. We are YG family.
Yes. Okay, I think that's all the question.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you for coming our podcast. See you.
Okay,
Okay,
see
guys.
you.